Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is at Crypto Mining 2025. So our PAWS pre-market has just got launched, and you can see that when you head on to the PAWS website and tap these three tabs, you'll see that the PAWS pre-market is on, and there's something like a notification showing that there's something on the pre-market section. So basically, when you tap on the pre-market section, you'll see that it's already launched. Meet PAWS NFTs vouchers for the PAWS pre-market. So basically, what this PAWS pre-market means, it means that you can now trade your PAWS tokens for USDT. That is, if you want to, but first you have to purchase or mint a voucher, then trade the voucher to some particular market. This market known as Magic Eden that PAWS has provided. So launching of the pre-market has given PAWS users these three privileges here. So one, you can mint vouchers, tokenize your PAWS into NFTs. So you can change your PAWS tokens into NFTs. Then two, you can trade vouchers, buy and sell NFT vouchers on Magic Eden. So after converting your PAWS into NFTs, you can now opt to trade those NFTs, those NFTs that you have converted your PAWS to on this Magic Eden platform. Okay, then two, you can trade voucher, buy and sell NFTs vouchers on Magic Eden. Yeah, you can now trade those vouchers on the Magic Eden market. Then three, exchange voucher. After the TGE, exchange your vouchers for PAWS tokens. So basically what this means, it means that after the TGE, after PAWS token listing, you'll be able to exchange your vouchers for PAWS token. And basically you can see we are given something like a number here saying 300k paws. So what 300k paws basically means, it means that for you to buy or for you to get a voucher, you must have not at least 300k PAWS tokens. So okay, let me take you through how you can buy your PAWS voucher and how you can sell the PAWS voucher you bought on the market, on the Magic Eden market, and I'll show you also the price of 300k PAWS in USDT. So stay with me on this video as I show you all those. Okay, after opening PAWS, tapping the three options, heading on to the pre-market section, then landing on this page, just tap here next, just tap next. Then you land on this interface. You can see mint vouchers only for 300k plus PAWS users. So okay, you must have 300k PAWS for you to be able to mint a voucher. So you can see one voucher goes for 300k PAWS. PAWS value 300k PAWS. Then so basically for you to buy the voucher, or for you to mint a voucher, you'll be able to do that here, but for now you can see there's a long queue right now. Please come back later. So basically this means that there are a lot of people trying to mint or trying to buy the PAWS voucher so that they can trade them on the Magic Eden platform. So what you have to do, you just have to be patient enough for this option to be available again. Then you can be able to proceed on buying the voucher. But let me show you through the guidelines on how you can purchase your voucher with 300k PAWS. Okay, what you do, just let me open the guidelines and show you what you are required to do. So yeah, PAWS pre-market guideline: mint and trade PAWS vouchers. So you can be able to mint your PAWS tokens into vouchers, then trade your PAWS vouchers. Scroll down a bit. Then there's this important notification here saying, for you to mint a PAWS voucher, it will cost you 300k PAWS points and a small Solana gas fee to cover the blockchain transaction. So basically you can interpret this as you must have connected your Solana wallet to your PAWS website for you to be able to mint your 300k PAWS. So okay, let's scroll down a bit for more information. So yeah, you can see the advantages of holding a voucher. So what can voucher holder do? You can hold and trade, list your voucher on Magic Eden, the official marketplace for PAWS vouchers. So you can officially trade your PAWS voucher on the Magic Eden platform. Also, you'll be able to convert after TGE. Wait until the token generation event TGE to exchange your voucher for PAWS tokens. Conversion occurs at the rate of one voucher is equal to 300k points. So in case you're afraid to mint your PAWS, don't worry, your tokens won't get lost, because you can see here the conversion occurs at the rate of 1 voucher is equals to 300k PAWS. So it won't lose any value. So just mint your PAWS if you want to. So okay, yeah, okay, and here we are, minting process for eligible users. Okay, so the first thing, you must access the minting platform, open the pre-market section on the PAWS web. Then yeah, here it is. So basically this is how the platform looks like. They have the pre-market section. Then step 2, connect your Phantom wallet, ensure your wallet is linked and ready for transaction. And remember, you must have some little Solana for you to be able to perform these transactions. Okay, make sure you connect your Solana wallet. Then after connecting, prepare for minting. Check your Solana balance to ensure you can cover the minting gas fee. So I told you before, you must have something in your Solana wallet for you to perform these transactions. Okay, minting voucher, then what to do, just tap next, check out next, then the option for minting will appear. You can see the option for minting will appear on the website. That is after when the mint option becomes available once again. Then okay, after tapping on mint, then confirm mint and review the transaction carefully. So okay, what to do, just come, then after tapping the minting section, then this prompt will appear saying confirm transaction, balance changes are estimated, amounts assets involved are not guaranteed. Then 300k PAWS, 1 PAW, Solana gas fee. So it seems that this is the amount of Solana gas fee you'll need, 0.00102 Solana. So what you do, just come here and tap confirm for you to mint your PAWS tokens. Okay, then okay, after tapping confirm, you'll receive your voucher. This prompt will appear, congratulations, your treasury is on the way. The voucher will appear in your wallet soon. Then the option for going to Magic Eden will appear, but let's not focus on that now. So okay, once the minting is complete, your voucher will be stored in your Phantom wallet under the collectibles tabs. So okay, this is where your voucher will appear. The 300k voucher will appear. So it will appear on your Phantom wallet under the collectibles tabs. And yeah, and that's it. So basically it's very simple for you to purchase a voucher. What you need, you must have 300k PAWS. Then step 2, access the pre-market section. After accessing the pre-market section, head on to the mint section, then confirm connecting the Solana wallet, then head on to the mint section. Then after heading on to the mint section, just confirm the transaction, then congratulations message will appear. Then the voucher will be under your Phantom wallet under collectibles tab. So basically that's how you purchase, or that's how you mint your PAWS tokens. Now after minting your PAWS tokens, now you have your voucher ready and you want to trade it for some USDT. So what you do, just go back to the trade voucher section here, just come and tap trade voucher. Then the Magic Eden marketplace will appear. The website will open automatically, and there we are. You can see how much the PAWS voucher goes for some Solana. So 300k voucher. So a 300k voucher goes for 0.07 Sol, which is equal to 16 USDT. So basically that means that on the pre-market section, 300k PAWS is equals to 16.78 USDT. So if you are ready, you wanna trade your 300k for that amount of USDT, you can proceed with the trade. Connect your Solana wallet, then head on to perform the trade. Then basically after performing the trade of your voucher for 16 USDT, 16 USDT will be deposited on your Solana wallet. Then basically that's it. So that's how you purchase. That's how you mint your PAWS 300k PAWS to purchase a voucher. Then that's how you trade the voucher you got on the Magic Eden marketplace. Perform the trade if you want to, then get your USDTs. If you don't want USDTs, you can just decide to wait for TGE, then convert your voucher back to PAWS and get your token. So basically that's it. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so, and if you're new to my channel, continue watching my videos for more mining updates.